Hello, how you doing? Going to make this sweet and sour vegetables today. Now what I've done is I cook it so it's really crunchy, the vegetables. I don't overcook them and it's not swimming in the sauce. The sauce we're going to make is really simple as well. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. So let's have a look at the vegetables that I'm using. So I've got broccoli, cauliflower, baby corn, some sugar snaps or mange tous or something like that, mushrooms and some bell peppers. Now these containers are 2 cups each roughly. And you can see that that's over 2 cups, that is 2 cups, that's under 2 cups. You can really vary it, and of course use any other vegetables you want. Carrots, celery, water chestnuts, up to you, go how you like. Essentials, we've got a tablespoon here of ginger, fresh ginger. If you want, you can add garlic to this as well. I'm just going with ginger today, and a cup of onion. So that's what I'm using. You use what you want. Let's get ready for our sauce. So we're going to make a nice, quick, easy, sweet and sour sauce. I've got here half a cup of vinegar. I'm using a cane vinegar, but just, some vinegar that you want to use, preferably a white, clear vinegar. A couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. That's a light soy sauce. I'm then going to add, these are optional, but I think they're great in there, some star anise. And I've just grabbed a little bit, just stolen a little bit of our ginger that I showed you earlier. That's just going to go in now. And again, like I said, if you want, you could use garlic. And then I've got brown sugar. I'm going brown sugar today. You could use white sugar. There's 2 tablespoons there. And if you don't want to use sugar, you could use honey, for example. And some people, when I've done this before as well, you could put a bit of ketchup in there. That will add a kind of the tomato-ness, obviously, plus the sweetness. What we're going to do is we're going to get that on an above medium heat, and we're going to let it go just for about 4 to 5 minutes. What you're going to have then is a really simple, easy, sweet and sour sauce. Okay, and there we go. We've done it. That's beautiful. The sugar is dissolved in there, nice and easy. So you're going to need a wok, skillet or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today. You could change that if you want. We're getting it hot. So I've just put the heat on, so it's really, really hot. We're going to take our ginger and we're going to drop that in. To that we're going to add our onion. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. And then we're just going to add our hardest vegetables. So if you had celery and carrots, for example, get them in now. For me, it's going to be cauliflower and my baby corn. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add a little bit today, not too much. And black pepper. A bit more generous with the black pepper. And again, another 3 minutes, keeping it moving. And again, a couple more vegetables. This time I'm going to go in with my sugar snaps, mange tous or whatever you call them, or that type bean, and my broccoli. And again, 2 to 3 minutes, stir frying. And my last vegetables, mushrooms and some bell peppers. Again, high heat, 2 to 3 minutes, keep it moving, nearly done it. Now I like a nice crunch on my vegetables. You can cook this longer if you want, but I'm happy there. We're going to grab our sweet and sour. Two more minutes, high heat, keep it moving, beautiful. Okay, and there you have it. I've just topped that with some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Sesame seeds on the top is also quite nice. Now, like I say, I've cooked this and it's quite crunchy, the vegetables. You can cook it a bit more if you want, but I like to retain a crunchiness in there. And it's not swimming in the sweet and sour, but you know, it is there. I guarantee that, you know, it's quite pungent. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.